Hi, my name is Carrie and I'm a brand evangelist at Helium 10. And today I'm going to show you our tools that we have for Walmart sellers for Walmart.com. So I'll go ahead and share my screen and show you what we have. So the first tool that we have is Xray. And Xray, if you're familiar with selling on Amazon.com, this is the tool that most sellers use to analyze sales. So it's definitely a great tool for when you're doing product research and also when you're looking at your competitors. So this is Xray for Walmart, and you basically can pull this the same way that you pull it on Amazon, and that's on the Walmart.com search page when you search for a particular product. So the first thing is that you can view monthly sales estimates and monthly units sold, which gives you a good idea of what the demand is for this product. You can also compare your Walmart data side by side with Amazon data, so you can see the sales revenues and all kinds of great information side by side with Amazon. You can also view areas of opportunity to beat your competition. I'll go into more detail about those, but lots of great insights for sellers to, beat their competitors. So when you take a look at it, this is what it looks like on the screenshot. And it shows the total revenue just like on Amazon, but it also shows the total revenue or average revenue on Amazon.com. So you can kind of see like the basic, how it compares as well for the two different marketplaces. You can also see the average price on Walmart compared to the average price on Amazon, which sometimes it's interesting. Sometimes you'll see the Walmart price is higher, which is really always kind of an interesting thing. WFS, this is one of those points that are really good to look at to see what the competition is going to be. So the lower the percentage of WFS products, the better. And WFS stands for Walmart Fulfillment Services. And the reason why this is because if you have your products in WFS, which is very similar to FBA, you actually get ranking juice on Walmart. They really like to prioritize products that are using their fulfillment services. So you get, a higher ranking. It ticks the box of that 2-day shipping for the customers. So there's a lot of good aspects of it, and it'll give you more visibility. So the less competitors that you have actually utilizing this, the better for you, because you'll rank higher for a lot of different reasons. It'll also, and this shows you, like I said, sales revenues and units sold. It doesn't show this on the exact screenshot here, but you can see the price, the ratings, the review count. So you can see here on page 1, there's still some low ratings and reviews. I mean, you would not really see that ever on Amazon. So you can see the opportunity there to provide a better product. The review count, you can see that there's some with no reviews at all. So you can definitely get in there and start selling and, start getting those reviews and beat out these competitors right here. The next thing is that when you actually go to the detail pages on and utilize Xray, you can see the listing quality score. And the listing quality score is really important for ranking. There's 3 different sections: content and discoverability, and the offer score, and the ratings and reviews. So it breaks down, what your competitors are doing correctly here and what they aren't doing correctly. And this isn't exactly the score that they might get on the back end of Walmart, but it's pretty close, and we've done a lot of different estimates that have proven to be pretty close to the actual number. So it's a good way to gauge, where your competitors are at in regards to their listing quality score. And so this is a great tool to just see where the holes are with your competitors. The next thing is Cerebro, and this is one of my favorite tools for Walmart. And what Cerebro allows you to do is it allows you to perform reverse product ID searches to see words that you and or your competitors are indexing and ranking for on Walmart.com. So the reverse product ID is similar to the reverse ASIN search if you're familiar with the Amazon side. And basically you just take that product ID and you can either find it in Xray when you pull the product, or you can find it in the URL of the actual description page. And you basically copy that number and you put it into Cerebro, and you'll get all the keywords that product is indexing and ranking for on Walmart, and that's for organic and sponsored. So the cool thing is you can also spy on your competitors' PPC strategies, because you'll be able to see which keywords that they're advertising on with Cerebro. You can also easily sort your keywords, and you can compare your keyword strategy to your competitors to find new keyword opportunities. So you might be able to find some keyword opportunities that your competitors are hitting, but you aren't. And then you can also compare yourself to your competitors to see how well you're ranking. So you can actually see, how many of your competitors are ranking higher than you or lower. So you can make some different moves to improve that rank. So this is what it looks like. And you can see I put the product ID right here, and all you do is just copy that product ID and put it in here. You can actually do up to 20 if you're an elite, or you can do 10 for the other levels, like the diamond level, and below I think 10 is the highest for diamond, and then a few less for the other levels of subscriptions. So on this, you can see that you can hit get keywords, and you'll be able to filter through these results. You can actually expand this, and there's a lot of different filters here. You'll be able to see the total keyword distribution. You can see the word frequency, and this word frequency is helpful because these are kind of those root words that you're going to want to make sure that are in your listing that you write in there. It doesn't necessarily have to be in any sort of order, but it'll help you to index for more keywords. And down here, you can see the search volume on Walmart right next to the search volume on Amazon, so you can compare the two. Something I would say is that on Walmart, that they have a lower search volume for certain keywords, but a lot of the shoppers are sorting and doing different ways to find products, so they're not necessarily typing in as many long tail keywords. Now, I do think that now that they've switched to a more relevancy model on Walmart for ranking, you will see more long tail keywords, but don't be discouraged by these, because I've even had some keywords that are really low search volume. I still make a good amount of sales on them. So everything is really an opportunity here. The next thing is Magnet, and Magnet is another keyword research tool that'll help you to find keyword search volume on Walmart. So you can search, standing mirror, and you'll be able to see all of the related keywords as well as the search volume for those keywords. So you can easily compare the search volume also on Walmart.com with Amazon.com, and you can filter and sort the keywords. So this is a look what it looks like on Magnet. You can use the filters up at the top here. And you can also see the search volume of your main keyword that you searched, and you can see some related keywords down here along with their search volume. Again, this word frequency here is very helpful for those root words that you can write into your listing. The next tool is Keyword Tracker. This is one of my favorite tools for launches to keep track of where your rank is. So what you can do with this tool is you can actually track up to 250 keywords on Walmart, and it'll show you the organic and the sponsored rank. It'll also show you, how to maybe potentially optimize your PPC campaigns with more efficiency, and it also is going to show you, how to basically see these keyword rankings every hour. So basically, there's these little boost buttons, and I'll show you on the next page. These little kind of rocket ships, if you click on those, you actually can see the rank every hour, so you can check it every hour. Now you have 25 of these at a time, so and they go for about 8 days, and you can see every hour on the hour what the rank is, so it gives you more real-time results that way. You can prioritize your keywords here based on the search volume and different factors, and you can see, as you can see, here's the organic and sponsored rank there. The last tool that we have is our profits tool, and it's a great way to get an easy overview of your profits on Walmart.com. Sometimes people are unaware of what their sales and profits are, so this gives you an easy overview of those profits. It's going to give you the ability to favorite and keep an eye on products more closely to track sales and profitability. It makes it easy for you to see your success and failures of products, so it gives you an account level overview, but it also breaks it down by product, so you can see if you need to maybe get rid of a product or add more of a product. So it helps you to make more profitable business decisions. And something you need to know is that you need to connect your Walmart seller account to Helium 10 so that you can access this tool. So this is what it looks like. You can see the breakdown by different products, and it gives you your profitability over time. You're going to add in your cost of goods and a few other costs in here. It'll give you your true profits that way. They make it very easy for you to see just kind of an easy overview of your profits on Walmart. So that is an overview of the Helium 10 Walmart tools, and they're definitely a great variety of tools to help you with your optimization, your keyword and product research, and your profitability. So we hope that you'll check them out. And if you do need any more help, we do actually have, for paid subscriptions, we do have something, and I'll go actually show it to you right now. It's called Freedom Ticket 3.0 for Walmart, and it's an A to Z course on how to sell on Walmart. We show you how to utilize the Helium 10 tools, and we also just show you how to do things on the back end of Walmart, so it helps you all the way through that whole selling process from A to Z. So any questions you might have on how to get all that set up, you can actually find in that course. And again, it's free along with any paid subscription to Helium 10. So I hope that this was very helpful for you, and I hope that you have a great rest of the day. Thank you.